Hello Motor Rider World fans, Rob Portman here, and let me take you through my first ever British Superbike experience. I'm here at a very sunny Brands Hatch circuit in the UK, believe it or not, with the sunshine. And like I said, it's my first ever British Superbike experience. It's a bucket list moment for me, and I'm about to take you through my entire race day, Sunday race day here at Brands Hatch. First things first, a sausage butte, a nice fresh sausage butte. I didn't ever think I would come to a British Superbike race and have to put suntan cream on. Yeah, that is how hot it is in the UK at the moment. There we go, back there. Get ready. fan favourite is our Peter Hickman. It's got the longest line so far. Tom Sykes, remember him, former World Superbike champion, struggling a bit in his return to BSB.
British Superbike Championship here at Brands Hatch, and away we go down towards Panicle Bend. Good start for Mackenzie and O'Halloran. All three Yamahas lead in towards the top three position. As they head in towards Druids it is, but Mackenzie leads as they get to Druids and come through down towards Graham Hilbeck. And the Ray Championship leader into second place, Mortal Mex up behind him in the mid. Number 99, that one, looking around racing, Ryan Saxonby, Calix, Paul, and Jack Scott. Let's see what he can do with the slim tyres as he puts for the Trent.
Start of the Supersport race number 2, Supersport 600 race here on race day. They raced obviously one on Saturday, and now it's their final race of the race weekend here at Brands Hatch. And what a shot here, in with the crowd, massive crowd here, and just, you can't believe the undulation of this turn 1 here, Paracle Bend. It's, on TV it looks deep, but in real life I just can't believe that undulation. Now I can understand how they must bottom out here. Here they come, the Supersport 600 bikes.
It's going to be the middle of the front row, Stapleford, or is Trulove actually going to take this one into the first corner? Yes, Harry Trulove does. Eugene McManus has already got further than he did yesterday.
And then they'll come back into shot just by the TV screen there.
But he has to back out from that manoeuvre. And Harry Trulove, Harry Carter, a little bit of a change in the line here, actually, didn't he? Harry Trulove, the mix is now up the inside of Jack Kennedy, from Bradley Peary, from Luke Stapleford, and then the first GP2 bike of Jack Scott. long towards Surtees.
So here at British Superbikes in the Supersport class, they also run the GP2 series, which is almost Moto 2 spec kind of bike. So you can take, you know, Triumph and you can do it up into a full-blown race bike, not as restricted as your production-based bikes, which are your ZX6s, your Yamaha R6s and those. And yeah, I think they look amazing. I would love to swing my leg over one of those. And looks like really, really good fun. A little bit tatty and stuff, but that's just a sign of a great race bike. There's a nice one there. Lovely. So this is it then, the final lap of the third and final race here at Brands Hatch. What an epic day it's been, spending it with all these passionate British Superbike fans on this gorgeous, boiling hot day at Brands Hatch. The racing has been, there goes Jason Hannahan on the inside. Is he going to hold it? Here goes McKenzie! Here we go, up close and personal now with some of the weapons that have just completed the third and final race of the race weekend here at Brands Hatch. Rory Skinner's Kawasaki ZX-10R. That is Danny Buckham's M1000RR. The Rich Energy Yamahas, which have now succumbed the championship lead to the McCam's Yamaha. Have a look at here. Here's Luke Mossey's Honda Fireblade. A couple of Kawasaki's in there. There is Christian Eden's Gold Base Suzuki, Vision Track Suzuki machine. And then one of the factory Honda bikes there. One of the Rich Energy Yamaha bikes there as well. So really it's just a fantastic format that works. I think British Superbikes have proven it time and time again that it is the most successful national superbike championship in the world. No electronics on these bikes, no wheelie control, no traction control, none of that. All on the same Pirelli tires. It's very evenly matched racing, and I could see it today. Love seeing the movement of these bikes. Black lines being left everywhere because there's no traction control. The riders really have to, you know, use every bit of talent and experience that they've got to get the best out of these machines. That's why Tom Sykes, for instance, is struggling coming from World Superbikes back down in a way to this level and not having the electronics to play with. Really does have to adapt his style. So he's battling at the moment, but sure, a former World Superbike champion should be able to get it right. But yeah, British Superbikes really are onto a brilliant format here. It works on the FHO BMW machines. It works, and it was interesting to hear on the side of the track. What they do is they retard the timing of the bike, so it kind of acts as a traction control. So when you crack on the gas, it's not this full-blown horsepower. It kind of cuts the bike out. It puts it onto like a limiter, it goes very, very lean almost, and it just gurgles away. And you can hear the riders get on and acts a little bit as a traction control low down, and then all of a sudden they just shoot all that 220 or whatever horsepower it is into life. So brilliant format that is definitely working. There's Peter Hickman's BMW M1000R machine, RR I should say, sorry. So yeah, British Superbikes, long live British Superbikes. This is the Ducati Panigale V4R weapon that is now Tom Sykes's. Beautiful piece of kit. There's Josh Brooks, his teammate, just looking at his crashed motorbike from race number 3. So yeah, unfortunate there for Josh Brooks. But this bike of Sykes is still very much in one piece.
Hey everyone at Moto Rider World, it's Pete Hickman here at Brands Hats. Just want to say thanks for the support.
Thank you very much. There we go, that's how you end off a British Superbike race, your first ever British Superbike race. Have a nice ice cream. Brands Hatch, you've been absolutely wonderful. British Superbikes, once again, you are just the greatest invention ever, and I will definitely be doing more British Superbike races. Cheers.